Welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Y'all, it's a Wednesday. I just got off from work. I'm tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this meal for y'all, okay? It's gonna be a nice meal, okay? So today I'm going to be making honey garlic glazed salmon, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So first of all, you wanna get a medium bowl, and I wanna whisk together honey, and this honey is 1/3 cup of honey. So I just want to put that on in my bowl here. Get all that good honey. Honey is so thick. I love honey. It just never goes bad. It's good for you. Okay. So that's 1/3 cup of honey. I have 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and this is less sodium soy sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in the bowl too. Then I also want to get some lemon juice, and with this lemon juice, I want to add 2 tablespoons. Okay. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to this. So there's 1. And there's 2. And if you add just a tad bit more, it's okay. It'll be fine. Okay. Then what I want to do, I have some red pepper flakes. I just want to add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Don't want to add a whole lot because I have a little one, so y'all know that. And you don't have to add the red pepper flakes if you don't want to. Okay, there we go. Just 1. And we're just gonna mix all this up. We're just gonna whisk all this up together. Be careful not to splash everywhere. And while I'm whisking this, I'm gonna go ahead and let this olive oil heat up. I have my skillet, and I just coated the bottom with some olive oil. And y'all know I will have all the ingredients and instructions listed below. All right, so we got all that whisked together. All right. So we're gonna let this heat up, and I shall return and we'll get this beautiful salmon on. All right, so I have this beautiful salmon here, very nice. It was a big slab, I guess that's what you wanna call it, a big fillet, I don't know. But I sliced it into pieces, and I have my, olive oil all warmed up. So what you wanna do in a large skillet, let's do over medium heat. I wanna go ahead and add this. And we're gonna add it skin down first. Put that in there. Add that too. So you just want to let that cook. You don't want your heat turned up really high. So we're gonna let that cook for a few minutes, about 6 minutes, until you want it deeply golden brown. So we're gonna let that cook a little bit, and I'll be back and we'll get these flipped over. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this flipped over. And yeah, that skin's gonna come off some, but it'll be okay. I'll probably just take that off anyway. You kind of want to be gentle with it so it doesn't just fall apart. And I took a piece out because I thought it was just too much in here, so we'll just do it like this. And then we'll let that cook a little bit. All right, y'all. So my salmon is cooking. It's kind of breaking apart on me, but you know what? It's gonna be just fine, okay? So right now I have 4 cloves of garlic. I just want to add that to the skillet and just let that heat up a little bit. You don't want it to burn or anything. I'm telling you, it's really breaking up on me, but I guarantee you it is going to get ate up and it's going to be wonderful anyway. But this is the color I'm looking for. That's what you want right there. Okay, so now that I added the garlic, I'm going to get your sauce, the honey mixture, and I just want to pour that in there. And you want to coat your salmon with this sauce. That's all you want to do. Just coat it with that sauce. And then I also want to take some lemons. And I want to place some lemons in here as well. But that's just going to give it that, you know, little lemon flavor too. Just a few, not a whole lot. Because if you want to, you can garnish. Whenever you fix your plate, you can garnish it with the lemons. Okay, you just want to let that cook just for a little bit. Not too much longer. Just maybe about 4 minutes. I'm gonna get a piece of skin off of there. Just let that simmer just for about 4 minutes. All right, y'all, so this has been simmering a little bit for about 4 minutes. And what I did, I made some mashed potatoes and some asparagus. I kind of wanted to dress it up a little bit, but you can add this to anything that you like. And I think that is so pretty. Look up there. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Yeah. Okay. Y'all know I be tripping. So I also just wanted to add some asparagus on that with it. And I think that is so pretty. Look at that. I just want to garnish it with a couple of lemons. That's all. We'll just do it like that. Maybe one on top. Yep, there you have it. And there it is, y'all. And what that is, again, is honey garlic glazed salmon. All right, so we're just gonna cut that just a little bit. Look at that, that is so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of taste. Y'all don't have to see my mouth moving right now. I just wanna, yep. It's really good. Okay. You guys, I am closing in on 300 subscribers. That is awesome. I'm gonna keep pushing these videos out. Excuse me, my phone is ringing in the background. But I wanna thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, bye.